Hello and welcome to Scheidler Apartments. Today we're going to be showing you about a key feature in your apartment, which is the baseboard heaters. With the colder weather coming in, it's important for you to know how to effectively and safely use them. Scheidler Apartments heat is controlled by turning a knob on each individual baseboard heater in every room. It's easy to adjust, just turn the knob to your preferred setting. When it comes to safety, it's important for you to be leaving at least 12 inches of space between the heater and any other curtains, furniture, or other items. During the winter months, setting the dial above medium, around 68 degrees Fahrenheit, or 3 on the dial, should keep your apartment comfortably warm. By following these tips, you'll be safe and warm all winter long. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to the UA office. Thanks for watching!